This tutorial is on the compatibility and installation of Trigno Base Station USB drivers. You will require a Trigno base station to be powered and connected to a PC with a Windows operating system, and local administration rights for that PC. The Trigno Base Station USB driver can be found on your computer named USB Express device from Silicon Labs software. The USB driver is available in two versions, 32-bit and 64-bit. The 32-bit version of the Trigno USB driver starts with the number 3, followed by other minor revision numbers. The 64-bit version starts with the number 6, followed by other minor revision numbers. Here you will see a list of software that is compatible with the 32-bit USB driver. Here you'll see a list of software that is currently compatible with the 64-bit USB driver. To check the version of the USB driver that you have installed, connect your Trigno base station to the computer. Open Device Manager from your Windows settings menu. Navigate to and expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. If you have your Trigno base station connected, you will see the device named USB Express device. Open the device properties and select the Driver tab. Here, you'll see the driver version that is installed. If you currently have the 32-bit USB driver installed and you need to operate a 64-bit software program, then there are various options to install the 64-bit drivers. These installation methods will overwrite 32-bit USB drivers that are already installed. If you currently have the 64-bit USB driver installed and need to operate a 32-bit software program, then please follow the uninstall and power cycle process. You'll first need to remove the 64-bit USB driver from the computer. Open Device Manager from your Windows settings menu. Navigate to and expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. If you have your Trigno base station connected, you will see the device named USB Express device. Open the device properties and select the Driver tab. Here, you'll see the 64-bit driver version is installed. Select Uninstall Device and select Delete the driver software for this device. Now, power cycle the Trigno base station by simply removing the Trigno power supply. Wait 3 to 5 seconds and then reconnect the Trigno power supply. The Device Manager will automatically refresh. Now, navigate back to the Trigno USB drivers, then USB Express device. You will see that the 32-bit USB drivers have been installed. For additional information and assistance, please visit delsys.com/support or connect with us via our socials.